8 steps for the plumbing service you deserve. Here. Look it up. Do as much research as possible and you'll find Flow-Rite Plumbing. Find us, then give us a call to get your plumbing needs satisfied by the best and be a happy customer. Make the problem of backed up drains and pipes easier by calling for your business or home. Don't stress, call the best. We'll come and get you an exceptional service. For the best service, give us a call or check out our website below. Call for our service and be left with a smile. It's a deal.